Okay. Okay. While we had a good amount of discussion here, let's also turn into, because a movie always has a lot of elements. Let's also get some elements here. You guys play an ad professional. You are a copywriter. You are a national creative director of
No,
the.
I am the CEO. She is the national creative director.
Right, national creative director. Fantastic. Now, ad agency, sir. I will leave you out on this one because I want them to answer this one. Okay, I'll give you two products. Here, Chitrangada first. I'll ask you to now, since you're a national creative director. Let's see how you pitch or how you sell this. How you sell this product. First, I'm going to ask you to promote. Let's say, okay, promote headlines today first.
No, give me some. You said you'll give me a thing. Headlines today is not a thing.
No. Come on, you got to say.
It's a channel.
Today.
Okay, give it a tagline.
You're nice. Yeah.
Headlines today, making all the right headlines every single day. Watch it.
Right.
Superb.
Okay, अर्जुन आपका
अब तक किरदार में.
हाँ मैं दोनों को दो ऑप्शंस दूंगा. ठीक है अर्जुन, आपको मैं एक लेट्स से एक जीन्स का ऐड देता हूँ. पहले भी आपने शायद जीन्स का ऐड किया होगा. एक जीन्स को अगर मैं लेट्स से एक कोई भी XYZ ब्रांड हो, एंड हाउ डू यू सेल इट? आई मीन हाउ डू यू ब्रांड इट?
Be environmental friendly. Jeans are environmental friendly. Wear jeans.
Jeans are environment friendly?
They are.
I love myself. I've always worn jeans.
Yes. And you can buy second-hand jeans. You know, they look cooler.
Second-hand jeans.
Yeah, you can sell them, and somebody will buy them.
No, for the ones who can't afford a second pair, your first pair will look good for 10 years.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, come here to Chitrangada. Now, I'm going to ask you to, let's say, market one person. Okay?
Oh my God.
Let's say, yes, exactly.
क्या बात है,
Okay.
आप कितने original हैं? Okay, what do you want? What?
Okay, you give a yes.
Market Sudhir.
Market Sudhir. How would you do that?
Okay, I have to give him like a tagline.
एक
or-
tagline दो, एक कोई बताओ. I mean, how do you sell him
As a commodity.
As a commodity.
Yeah. I'll give you a tagline.
If you are looking for an intense and passionate experience, here's the man.
Oh.
Something like that.
I thought it would be more about films, but then
No, in every sense, you know. I think
intense
he's.
experience in films.
No, that's what I meant. Sorry. Oh, okay. So that was.
They're gone.
ये तो मेरी
तो
job
गई।
चले गई अभी.
okay. Okay, coming to you, Arjun.
Don't tell me to market Sudhir.
Okay, who is your closest friend?
You shouldn't say
Shahrukh is
Very passionate and sensitive.
Okay, I'll give you a harder task. Market Shahrukh. He's the biggest, probably, and he's one of your closest friends, also one of the biggest stars in the country. How do you market that guy now?
A man who doesn't need any marketing. Shah Rukh Khan.
This is not done. No, this is not done. Come on, be more audible.
Slapping her. What do you
Yeah, okay.
CEO हूँ boss.
हाँ वो भी है. This is just one. Okay, just a jackpot. Okay, coming to you. I'll give you because you said आपने एक एजेंसी में काम किया था कभी. इन दोनों को कैसे मार्केट करें?
Not just looks, but much more beyond.
दोनों का.
दोनों का.
सर एक करके दीजिए, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. आपने दोनों को क्लब कर दिया.
वो आपने कहा दोनों को मार्केट करो, दोनों को कर दिया ना.
दोनों को एक करके. अच्छा, she is okay. Go with the lady first. Now let's
You're
see.
looking for a passionate, sensitive experience.
Yes.
That's the person. Yeah, just say ditto na.
No, just I mean, if you're if you're looking for more inside a woman than just beauty. Here
Yeah,
she is,
the
you
line
know,
अच्छा नहीं है. Can I give myself a line?
Yes, do that.
Hair today, gone tomorrow.
Hair today gone.
Okay. Can you find yourself a line then?
No, I'll come back. Why don't you start with him
Oh,
first?
yeah.
अच्छा तू सोच रही इतना सोच रही है अपने बारे में. अच्छा.
Tough to give yourself a line actually. You know too many wrongs about yourself.
he even look good in specs.
Did he say something that he should not have?
हाँ?
He said you look good. आप चश्मे में भी अच्छे दिखते हैं. Did he say something?
Just specs.
He even looks good in specs.
Sorry,
I thought he would talk about the screenplay, but
I thought you said it was just in specs. I was like, oh.
Looks like we ended up talking everything apart from the film now, or films.
It's good to talk about something else besides the film. But yeah, they're both, seriously speaking, really good actors. And it's was fantastic.
Yeah, from what they did with my test, they definitely deserve to be not just actors. If they ever want to be, they can also be ad professionals now. I mean, what fantastic lines.
मैं अपने बारे में एक लाइन दूँ
please.
about इनकार. इसने इतना काम करवाया मुझसे कि चश्मे लग गए.
This is not.
मतलब ठीक है.
We had a lot of fun.
We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun.
Sudhir, I have found a director who, you know, I think we're going
Intense
to.
and passionate.
No, I've found a director who I really look forward to working with again and again because I think he's, you know, one of the most talented directors this country has, and this film Inkar, I think, is one of his most special works.
Right. Okay. That's so much of special. I mean, okay. We think we'll end it
One
here.
thing wrong with me, ऐसा कुछ बोलो यार तो थोड़ा मजा.
हाँ, actually हाँ, एक negative point भी है.
वो जब बाथरूम जाते हैं तो ऐसे करके नहीं जाना चाहिए.
What is that? वो ऐसे सर ये क्या है?
You can, she's worked with me for 10 years. She knows a lot about.
Yeah, you know.
Now you explain that one.
Exactly the same thing, intense and passionate.
But I just
Matlab negative. No,
what
same.
What is wrong is also the
what
same.
What is wrong is what also right. I think he's a very intense filmmaker. He's very
He's
passionate.
obsessive.
Yeah. So I think what is good is also sometimes I think when it gets a bit much, I think it's a bit much for him as well. I think it just takes over his life, which is a great thing because as a filmmaker, I think it's very rare to find someone live for films like he does. Yeah. So I think.
And hot-tempered.
That's your.
Hot-tempered.
I've never.
Hot temper का example कुछ होगा? कुछ example
Oh
होगा?
please, please.
Hot temper का example
Oh
दीजिए.
my God. Oh,
चलो
okay.
hot temper का कुछ example दीजिए.
No, I mean.
It's
It's
not.
not.
कुछ बता दीजिए.
I never lose my temper. She loses the temper. I just bluster. The bluster is different from temper.
That's true. Also.
Right? But
I
Arjun,
mean,
any examples?
Bluster is different from temper.
Any examples? कुछ तो दो.
Bluster.
I mean, come on. He's a good director, fantastic person.
Sudhir
intense.
is like a child, you know, when he is directing. He's like a child. We are like, and he just wants, he knows everything. He loves his character so much. He gets so involved in everything that he can jump into the frame. In the middle of what you're doing, when you're acting, he can say, "Oh, nahi, tu aise bhi kar de, ye kar de." And you know, he can do stuff like that. And he's very enthusiastic and he loves spontaneity. And yeah, and I think that's what, you know, you will see in both our performances. He doesn't make you're acting, you're giving a performance, you're doing all of that. But I think it's the most effortless performances that he can take out from you because of that energy that he has on the sets all the time.
Right. That's amazing. Okay, coming to my final question here. We hear you will be your final slate of promotions is starting, and we hear you're going to Big Boss also. There was recently a report about would you like to comment on कुछ एक tabloid में एक report आई थी.
But I've already tweeted about it. I've called that donk journalism. You know, when people just write whatever they have to write. A guy had called me on New Year's and asked me if I'm going to the Big Boss house to promote the film. I said, sure, if I get to promote my film there, I will promote it. But I'm not sure if we are going or not. That the PR company decides, not me. And before I know, I'm changing camps and something is happening when I don't believe in camps or anything like that. You know, I think any actor who believes in a camp is limited to he's limiting his own work. You know, you should work with everybody, and that's what I do.
You should work with everybody. What do you have to say about that? You only work with Sudhir Mishra and Rohit Dhawan also.
and Kapil, what's his name?
Sharma.
Kapil Sharma. And Shirish Kunde.
Okay, let's take it back now.
No,
what do you have to say?
definitely. I'm open to working with everyone. I mean, wherever there's a good part, I'd love to be part of that film. Yes.
चलो चित्रांगदा ने इनकार नहीं कि वो किसी और से भी काम करना चाहते हैं. इसी के साथ हम इस इंटरव्यू को खत्म करते हैं. विद कैमरा पर्सन महेश चिरिक सर, दिस इज नॉइजरी इन मुंबई फॉर हेडलाइंस टुडे.